Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x to the power 4 is equal to 9. Okay, or taking this 9 to left side we will get x to the power 4 minus 9 is equal to 0, or x to the power 4 can be written as x to the power 2 times 2 minus 9 is equal to 0, or now we can write here x square whole square minus 9 can be written as 3 square is equal to 0. Now we know that a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So apply this rule, we will get x square minus 3 times x square plus 3 is equal to 0. Now from here we have two solutions, so we can write here x square minus 3 is equal to 0 and x square plus 3 is equal to 0, or x square, taking this negative 3 to right side we will get positive 3, x square is equal to 3, or squaring both sides, taking square root of on both sides we can write here square root on x square root of 3 and here plus or minus, this cancel out this, so we will get x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3. There are two values of x, so we can write here x1 is equal to square root of 3 and x2 is equal to negative square root of 3, and these two solutions are real solutions. Now here, taking this positive 3 to right side we will get x square is equal to negative 3. Taking square root on both sides we can write here square root of x square is equal to plus or minus square root of negative 3, or this cancel this, so here x is equal to plus or minus square root of negative 3 can be written as 3 times negative 1, or x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3 times square root of negative 1. We know that square root of negative 1 is I, or x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3 I. So x3 is equal to square root of 3 I and x4 is equal to minus square root of 3 I, and these two solutions are complex solutions. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.